Welcome to Video Series 3 on Interactive Document Writing. In this video, we will concentrate on the sign-off process. Supervisors can perform quality control on all types of documents using the desktop application and the web client. Checked documents can either be approved or annotated with stickers and sent back to the clerk for further corrections and adjustments. Interaction between customer support clerks and the supervisors is easily done using stickers. After the account representative letter was finished by customer support in the last video, it was routed into the supervisor's queue by the underlying workflow. Supervisor Tim can review the document, view the sticker with questions customer support has, and provide feedback on the same sticker. Additionally, he sees that the changed text needs some corrections. Tim creates a new sticker and asks customer support to be more specific with the wording. He goes ahead and declines the document. It is automatically sent to the customer support's inbox. Customer support clerk Bob can see the comments from the supervisor by hovering over the sticker. After taking care of the suggestions, he adds a comment that everything is finished and sends the document back to the supervisor. The supervisor now has a last check and approves the document so it can be delivered to the customer. The serial letter created in the last video also pops up in the supervisor queue. Tim sees that the original template was edited. Therefore, he goes ahead and uses the compare feature to exactly see the changes done by customer support. Colors are customizable in detail and show edited, added, and deleted elements, so all differences are spotted effortlessly by the supervisor. After the document was approved, it is ready for all further steps in the production and delivery chain. Papyrus has a flexible and powerful delivery solution, which will be the topic of the next video, delivery and reporting.